What is up, guys? Hector Bobadilla here from Bobadilla Adventures. Today I will show you the first 2 steps to know freedom. So stay tuned. So the first 2 steps you need to know or to start is clear your mind and believe in yourself. Why is the sound not so high? Yeah, you need to clear your mind and believe in yourself to start. See, to clear your mind, you need to meditate, relax, read great books. I'll mention them later, put some of them in the link down below. Yes, and also, well, learn as much of great things that you can. What you love to do, what you gets your attention, and stuff like that. And to believe in yourself, you need to push your own self to the limits where you're afraid to do, think, believe, feel. You literally need to be beyond your goals, thoughts.